Here is Studly AI app. So let's just take a look at it. It's called Studly AI. So this is growing AI app. Notes and flashcards. Grow in the charts in education. AI study tool and homework helper. Upload anything, video, audio, document. Get instant notes, flashcard, quizzes. Perfectly curated flashcards and quizzes. Master every subject. Scan and solve any question. Practice active recall. So yeah, basically the idea, you have a lecture, you have big PDF document, you have long YouTube video like 3 hours lecture, you have audio recording. You can just upload everything into this app, and then it will create flashcards for you, quizzes, fill in the blanks, written tests, and then it just helps you to learn it in here. So they claim that they beat Quizlet and any other app. And this is just basically the idea. And then you can just tap continue. So here you see onboarding, learn everything. Then there is like a onboarding. And then yeah, you can just sign in with Apple here. So select this, continue. And then you can just create your first study set. So here you have subscription, you have website, you can then just upgrade to unlimited. So monthly it's $14 per month, so yearly $98. You can see in here your account preferences, data control. You can also delete your account. There is also refer and earn, where you can refer to this. I don't know, it's not. So here you see refer and earn. And then yeah, you can just have record camera photos, file, upload or paste. So for example, you can just paste URL here or paste the content, and then just create this first study set for you. And then organize all these study sets in the folders. And also they have Solve, where you can just also help with biology, math, general, chemistry, and so on. And you have study sets. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And in here, so for example, I just want to copy this video. For example, imagine this is your lecture, and then let's generate like what it and can create from this. Choose your study methods, flashcards, multiple choice, written test. So I want to create flashcards, multiple choice, a lesson, and then just let's create it. So right now I'm not upgraded, so I'm doing this for free. Let's see how much credits I need, or how, yeah. So here you have 80 questions. We can innovations and mastery, and then you can just proceed from here. So you have flashcards. So this is kind of the idea. Then you also have quiz. And this is the idea, super cool, right? And then you can also have notes, just quick summary of all of these of all of these YouTube videos. You can see instead of just spending time watching it, you can instantly have it. And then there is content. There is like video transcript. Then you can also add like a tutor. I don't know what written, what that is. Fill in the blank. So different types. So yeah, that's kind of how you can just proceed with this app. And as you can see, at least one study set you can do for free, and then just master it. And then you can see whether you're unfamiliar, learning familiar, or mastered, and then just proceed with this study set. So that's kind of the idea. So definitely check it out. And yeah, so here is the app.